In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new task to your project board in Chrome. This is a quick and simple action, but it's an important one because adding tasks clearly and correctly helps keep your board organized and makes it easier for everyone to track what needs to be done. If you're working in a shared project space, this also helps your team stay aligned from the very beginning. To get started, open your project board in Google Chrome. Make sure the board is fully loaded before moving on so you can clearly see your groups and the area where new items can be added. If your board has several sections, take a second to locate the specific group where you want the new task to appear. This can save time later and helps keep your workflow tidy. Once you're on the board, look for the Add button with a plus sign or find the blank text field at the top of your group list. Depending on the board layout, you may see one or the other, but both are used to create a new task. Click directly on that area to activate the item entry box. Now type the name of your task directly into the item box. Try to make the task name clear and specific so it's easy to understand at a glance. A short descriptive title usually works best, especially if you'll be coming back to the board later or if other people will be reviewing the task. Keeping the wording clean and direct can make your board much easier to scan. After you've entered the task name, press enter on your keyboard to save the item. As soon as you do that, the new task should appear in the list within that group. This confirms that the item has been created successfully. If you don't see it right away, just pause for a moment and check the group list again. In most cases, the item appears instantly, but giving it a second can help if the board is updating. And that's it. You've successfully added a new task to your project board in Chrome. Once you're comfortable with this process, you'll be able to add items quickly and keep your project board updated as new work comes in.